Meet the Honor 8X. It's the company's new mid-range smartphone that's set to launch on October 16 in India. But till we get the price and availability details, let's take a look at what it has to offer in the box. It's a simple minimalistic blue box with just Honor 8X written up front. On the back, you can see some basic specs, but we'll get to those in a bit. For now, we'll open the tapes and just get right to what comes inside. So here's the phone itself. It has a clean look on the front, though we do believe it has a notch design that you'll get to see in a bit. On the back, it has a 2.5D glass over an aluminium frame on the back with a matte textured band on the left. For now, we'll let it boot up and see what else we get in the box. Under the phone, there's another box. This has a SIM eject tool, quick start guide and warranty documents. And finally, a transparent soft TPU case. Keeping these aside, there's a charger and micro USB cable. So this is everything that you get with the Honor 8X. Now let's see what it has to offer in terms of specs. The dual SIM phone runs EMUI 8.2.0 on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. It features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus TFT IPS display with an 18.7:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by an octa-core HiSilicon Kirin 710F processor, and the unit we have here has 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage. There's a dual rear camera setup that comprises of a 20-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor along with an f1.8 aperture. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture. When it launched in China, the Honor 8X price started at 1,399 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 14,700 rupees. But we'll have the India pricing details when it launches on October 16th. Thanks for watching. For more unboxing videos, phone reviews and exclusive features, do check out the other videos on this channel. For all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.